That's how some people are. They're oriented to same-sex attraction. That's reality. And they're not going to find fulfillment in a heterosexual relationship.
I think also there's often that question that for a lot of people that people may have is that, sure, even if we can say that it's, evolutionary the case that we are sort of designed for heterosexual couples.
Yes.
But then the question would be, just because nature is like that, does that necessarily mean that we have to live that way?
That's a good question. But if you look at the other question, which would say, why has this happened? Is it maybe that the complementary sexes are the ideal way to bring up a child? So it goes both ways.
Okay.
And I am certainly not saying, I'm not denying the fact that some people will only be fulfilled themselves if they're in a same-sex relationship. I accept that. That's how some people are. They're oriented to same-sex attraction. That's reality. And they're not going to find fulfillment in a heterosexual relationship. And that's reality. I'm not denying that. The question you asked me, though, was about the children and the best place for them to grow. That's where the marriage bit comes in.
Yes.
Because marriage is, if it's going to be marriage, it means to be love-giving, self-giving, life-giving. Now, if a couple, heterosexual couple, decide to get married but never intend to have kids, in our Christian understanding, we would not call that a marriage. We'd call it a friendship. Yes, a very deep and intimate one, but not marriage. So our understanding of marriage is not only the love-giving, self-giving, life-giving relationship of two people, but that's how the human race best continues and flourishes. So that's where we have that combination.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
So even if it's a heterosexual couple, never intending, not because they couldn't, but they choose not to, we would say, is that a marriage? Or just a very deep, caring relationship between those two people?
Okay.
Because marriage has got the other angle of children, the human race, how it continues.